Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm going to react on another Beanie video. Actually, I was recommended to watch this video, the most mentioned one, the video in which Beanie was interviewed by Karen Davila. It is entitled Exclusive, ang mga hugot sa buhay ng Beanie. By the way, it's too long, right? I might divide this one into two parts. Let's go guys. Okay. Whoa, so that's Sofitel. That might be the venue of their interview.
Hello everyone,
great.
welcome to my YouTube channel. We are in Sofitel
The iconic accent of Karen Davila, you know.
and we are spending
That's
the
really
day
Karen
with
Davila.
your favorite girl group, Beanie.
That's
Galing!
Nation's girl group, actually.
Eto na sila, eto na,
Yeah.
eto na.
Woo! And they are also like,
How are you?
you know, what's this? Taking videos on Karen.
Oh my gosh. Excited na ako kumain tayo at magkwentuhan. And guys, I'm gonna do the Beanie name test.
Ooh.
Kilalang kilala ko po sila.
Okay.
Malot.
Okay, can I do the test? Anyway, this is Maloy. This is Mika. This is wait,
Ah, Mika.
Gwen.
Fairness. Gwen.
Yes.
Ah,
Sheena.
Sheena. Stacy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm delayed. That's Stacy, and then of course Aya and the leader Joanna. Yes.
Aya. Joanna.
And yeah.
Colette.
Oh. Anyway, I forgot Colette. Anyway, this is what's different of our artists, right? We can identify them by their face and their names easily than when you name test Korean groups, right? They have like hard names, and of course their faces are not that distinct. They look the same. It's different with our artists like this Beanie. I can recognize them easily, right? So yeah.
Dear, free tickets na daw.
So for me, I'm not surprised that Karen actually named them easily, you know, because it's that easy. Whoa, the iconic Tropical. 4 million plus monthly listeners on Spotify. Whoa. Oh, I actually got a news. I actually I heard the news that they actually replaced Taylor Swift on Spotify Philippines. They are number one on streams.
Bakit sila tinawag na Beanie?
Okay.
Saan galing ang Beanie?
I think I've
Some Beanie
watched this clip, right? Like they explained why they
Po, galing po
They
siya
are
sa
called
word na
Beanie.
binibini. So, in English, young lady.
yeah. Yes. Like they're surprised.
Ang
They're not
pinaka
actually naming
goal
it
namin
themselves.
is to inspire yung kabataan. Lalo na nagsimula po kami at an early age, 15, 16. So, parang gusto namin iparating sa kanila na walang age yung pag-abot sa pangarap.
Pero
Yes.
lahat ba kayo noon magkakaibigan
Oh,
na?
they're so cute. No.
Ang lakas ng
Oh, I was actually reading the comments, identifying them by ethnic or by culture, by province. You know, all of them really came from like literally different provinces. That must be why they said no when they asked that are they friends? Yes.
Bakit nagkaasaran ba kayo noon?
Opo, may times po talaga na grupo-grupo po kami. Kasi, syempre, iba't ibang lugar po kami nang galing, iba't
Yes.
ibang beliefs, culture. Yung time lang po na nagkaroon kami ng bond talaga is nung tumagal po yung training. So, sobrang helpful po na tumira po kami sa isang bahay. So, yung bond po namin is
They're
more
like having a
stronger,
dormitory
and now,
also.
We're like family.
Paano kayo pinili na kayo ang magkakasama?
It's literally because they are the best amongst the best, you know.
Nagkaroon po ng Kapamilya Grand Audition po sa Star Hunt. And
Ooh.
ayun po, halos po lahat po sa amin nag-audition po talaga for Pinoy Big Brother. Pero si Sheena and Gwen po yung pinalad po na makapasok sa PBB.
So the others also aim to actually audition for Pinoy Big Brother, and only two of them were
Rest ng
actually
girls
accepted.
po,
Is that
parang
correct?
Nakitaan po ni Direk Gloria ng potential po sa singing and dancing. With no idea po kami talaga na may project po for P-pop hanggang sa pinagsama po kami sa bootcamp, tapos may elimination round. pinagsama na po
That's
kami
a kind of a
training po hanggang
surprise,
sa
you know?
may elimination din po ulit hanggang
That's
sa naging
great.
final 8 na po.
Yeah.
They don't know what it is.
Ngayon, ang dami nyo ng mga fans at mga views. Pero nung una, nung nagsisimula kayo, hindi ganon.
We are pandemic babies po. Nung time na
Pandemic
nakakalabas na
babies
po kami,
because they were trained like in 2018, right?
we really started from scratch po. Like even yung pag-promote po na we had to give out flyers.
Yes.
Everybody walk around Binondo,
Ooh.
doing all that po.
May clip po si Ate Maloy na kumakalat ngayon sa TikTok na, Kuya, this is your lucky day dahil makikilala mo na ang Bini!
Iipit natin sa mga motor. Pwede ba yun?
Kuya, it's your lucky day dahil makikilala mo kami.
Yes, that's the lucky day of Kuya. You know, I could imagine Kuya right now. You know, like he must be proud to be the first one being approached by Maloy like that. So that's great, right?
Yung parang
Indeed, his lucky day.
Opo, tsaka yung iba tinatapon lang po yung
Tinatapon.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Gano'ng kasakit yun, Colette, noon?
Ay, sad lang kasi pinaghirapan mo namin yung flyers.
Oo.
Tapos yung minsan nakikita namin sa basurahan na po.
Oh.
Pero did you ever think of giving up, Sheena?
of
At
giving
one
flyers.
point?
Madaming beses po umabot po sa time na yun. Kasi siguro nung umabot na sa 1 year na kami, tas 2 years, kahit nag-debut na kami, feeling ko walang nangyayari. Hoy! Parang stagnant lang.
Oo, naiyak ka.
Oh.
Okay.
She's getting emotional.
Hindi, kasi po syempre ang daming times na, example sa mga events, yung if ever may meet and greet, yung nadadaanan lang. Tapos kapag nagpo-perform, hindi nanonood mga tao, dinadaanan lang. Kasi grabe training namin para daanan yun na kayo.
Yes, that's so devastating.
Ano pa bang mga
Grabe talaga po yung kinayod namin. As in, kinayod po talaga namin to lahat. Sinacrifice namin yung time namin for our families, for ourselves, na talagang nag-focus kami sa Bini kasi yun nga po yung time na nag-shutdown po yung ABS. Parang natakot kami na
Oh.
saan kami dadalhin.
That was the
dami na po
time.
namin na sacrifices. So,
Yes, so many sacrifice. The pandemic, not to mention the shutdown of ABS. This is really,
nasa
really
isip
so
ko talaga
devastating
nun,
that time.
shocks. Anong mangyayari sa atin?
So they
Nagiging
are
ako tayo.
literally from
Pero sobrang
rugs
talagang
to
grabe yung
riches,
pasasalamat
right?
po namin sa management, especially
Oh.
sa tatay namin na si Direk Loren, na inilaban po talaga
Wow,
kami
that's
na
Direk
kahit
Loren
wala
over
pa kami
there.
pinapatunayan,
He's
pero
actually
inilaban niya kami. Kaya ngayon nagiging
Big Brother,
kami,
right?
ginagawa namin yung best namin, and sobra kaming
Good
thankful
thing
sa
that they
blooms
did not,
namin, sa mga tao na talagang grabe
you know,
yung
actually
support
give
and
up.
pagmamahal sa amin.
Oh, a lot
ngayon,
of fans
nakaka-overwhelm
already.
po, pero ine-enjoy lang namin. Sobrang sarap po talaga.
Sanay lang po kami na camera lang po talaga at saka yung coaches namin. As in, yung gamit po namin, 1 camera, so 10 takes siguro po ng sayaw para makuha ng close-ups, wide shots,
Ooh.
playful shots. As in, kami-kami lang po talaga noon. Oo, sariling kayod.
Parang yung, kunyari, yung dance coach po namin, naging cameraman na. Ganun po.
Hindi ba
Whoa.
sinabi ng mga magulang yun noon?
They're being
Alam mo,
like
tigilan mo na yan,
multitask.
Anong mapapala mo sa girl group?
Grabe. My dad
Yes,
always
that's
says
true.
naman na he always checks up with the academics, if
Mm.
how is school, and also he asked me like, are you
Oh.
still happy? Like, parang di ko ma-imagine sarili ko doing something else. Kahit at first it was very hard.
Lalo po yung nanay.
That is a
ko,
devotion.
Dahil taga-Bohol po ako. So mag-isa lang po talaga.
Ah, okay.
Pag nagkakasakit lang po.
So
siguro,
Colette is
parang,
from
"Lagi
Bohol."
ka na nagkakasakit. Anong tigilan mo na? Umuwi ka na lang dito. Ganun po yung
Yung main
sinasabi.
rapper na yun.
Oo.
Pero naisip ko naman, parang sayang naman yung pinaghirapan ko. Kung titigil lang po ako dahil.
Right,
Oo,
right.
magaling naman po kami.
Pagdating naman po sa mga ganyang bagay, walang say po yung parents ko. Ako pa rin po yung nasusunod. Yung pagiging reporter ko po, broadcaster ko po nung bata ako, parang ginawa ko lang po siya kasi gusto ko lang din po. Pero naging pangarap ko na lang din bigla.
Yung mama ko po, ano lang, yung normal parent na mag-worry lang talaga na gutom ka ba, gano'n. Or masyado ka na bang pagod, ganyan.
It's good
Kasi
thing
kapag
that,
hindi mo na kaya,
you know, all of their
okay lang
parents
naman,
are not
back to school
against
na lang. Yun lang po yung lagi
their
na sinasabi, na susuporta niya kahit ano man yung
what's
decision
this
ko.
decided
Palagay niyo,
career.
Ano ang hirap niyo sa buhay na nagbibigay ng lakas sa inyo to succeed?
Siguro po yung pinaka nag-push sa akin dito. Actually,
Oh, I think
50-50
she
po
will
siya
be
nung nawala po si
crying.
Mami. Kalahati nun, parang
Namatay ang mami mo. Kailan?
That's the most devastating ever.
kalagitnaan po lang.
Sheena, I don't know how to,
Ooh.
but ano ba to? Just want to, to tell you that,
It's hurting,
we're very
It's so
sorry, but,
painful.
your mom just passed away just this morning.
Imagine how painful it is for like a child to be away from home and then learn that her parent would actually be gone for like not temporary. I also felt like that because my dad passed away when I actually was out from home. That is just so hurtful. It's even more painful for Sheena because she's so young at the time, and hello, that's pandemic time, right?
Kaya po ako pumasok kasi supportado po ako ng nanay ko. Siya po nag-push sa akin na ituloy yung auditions kahit ayoko lang mag-audition. Grabe yung support sa akin ni Mami Ken. Nung nawala siya, parang ano bang sense na andito ako. Tapos nung saklap, bago kasi mawala si Mami, matagal po siyang nakakoma. Mga ilang buwan po siya nakakoma, mga mag-1 year na din, mga 10 months. Hanggang sa nagising na lang
And the other members
yung
are
lola ko
also
na
crying,
wala na si Mami.
Like they have
Sabi ko na,
reminisced that time that
ang mas
Sheena had
mahirap pa po kasi ng pandemic.
experienced
Tapos minor
that.
pa po ako. Tapos hindi ako maka-plane, land lang. Ang daming requirements. Hindi ko na naabutan buhay.
Yeah, that's what I tell you.
Sa bahay.
Many instructions.
Umuwi na lang ako na
She's actually
wala
sobbing,
na, wala si Mami sa bahay. Wala na yung mga kagamitan niya dun sa kwarto kasi nga nakakoma sa bahay.
Wala kang closure.
Yes.
You never got to say goodbye. Oh my God.
That's so
What
hurtful.
about your dad?
Why,
Anak ko
Karen?
po,
Why
wala
did
na
you
po. Wala na
bring
po siya,
that
ibang
up?
pamilya. Ang meron na lang po sa akin, actually, grandparents ko po. Pero recently, namatay din po yung lolo ko. I have my lola
So the lolo.
and my brother. Kaming tatlo na lang.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Ikaw ba ang breadwinner?
Opo. Kasi po, lola ko matanda na rin. So, maasa na sa pension. So, ako po talaga kumakayo.
Mag-iiyak ka
This is so
Lahat
painful.
kayo naiiyak na. Tingnan niyo po, lahat sila naiiyak na.
Alam ko na maiyak ako kasi.
Alam mo, ang bini po kasi,
Me too.
all for one, one for all. Pati po sa luha. Kapag
Ay, galing.
umiyak po ang isa sa kanila,
Synchronize.
Weakness po kasi namin si
Oo. Maloy, ikaw naman, ano ang kwento ng buhay mo?
Natawa sa buhay yun.
Anong kwento ng buhay mo ngayon?
Ako po,
That's
isa
one
lang po ako
emotional
normal na
story.
mamamayan ng Pilipinas.
I think Maloy is the dorkiest
Pero yun po,
one,
yung pangarap ko talaga is mataguyod po talaga yung pamilya ko. Kasi, especially nung umuwi po yung tatay ko, kasi galing po siyang ibang bansa. OFW po siya for 13 years. Nung time po na nag-retire na po siya, so yung pera po, syempre ni-spend po namin siya pambayad po ng mga utang. Pero nung time po talaga ng pandemic, yun po talaga yung time na parang bagsak po
The
talaga.
pandemic
Parang namomroblema
took
po kami.
everything away.
Kasi ako po, nung time po na
The
pandemic,
livelihood of family.
wala din po ako maipadala sa kanila kasi ako din po yung breadwinner eh. Naawa po ako sa pamilya ko na hindi ko po in-expect na dadating kami sa point na gano'n kasi yung tatay ko po
Parang
driver,
walang-wala
driver
talaga.
siya. Nanay ko po, wala po siyang stable na trabaho. So, wala po talaga kaming source of income talaga.
It's so
Ako lang po
sad.
talaga inaasahan. Yung mga kapatid ko po nag-aaral na ako pa po yung tumutulong para makapag-aral.
You know,
So,
they're
yun po yung time talaga na,
ah,
ate, anong,
that's why they're
kasi,
blessed so much because of their
Ngayon
hardship.
po, pangarap ko talaga na di na namin ulit problemahin yung ganun problema.
Mm.
Ngayon po, napagtapos ko po ng pag-aaral yung ate ko.
Wow.
So, yeah, ano po, parang kami po yung nagtutulungan para po.
Ikaw naman, Stacy,
Wow.
ikwento mo ang buhay mo.
Taga Nueva Vizcaya po ako. Kami dalawa lang po talaga ng mami ko po. Yung mami ko po single mom po siya. So,
Mm.
siya po talaga yung nagpalaki po sa akin. Since birth, kasi syempre pinanganak niya nga ako. Okay. Siya po yung nagpalaki po sa akin and wala po talaga akong
I love
hilig na
that,
mag-audition.
you know,
Ever
even in a
audition
little, that's what I actually observed. Even in a little, like it's not a joke, right? It's not, you know, a really humorous, funny joke like that, even in a little thing like that, they all actually burst laughing, and it's so great.
Started po
It just
ako.
tells that they
Mahirap din po
support
sa
each
part siguro
other.
ni Mami kasi hindi naman po,
Ano?
never po naging madali ang maging
Oo.
single mom. Ngayon po, lagi pong nag-thank you sa akin si Mami kasi, yes, I'm a good daughter and maganda akong anak kasi hindi naman po ako pasaway, hindi po ako palalabas noon and kaming dalawa ni
That's
Mami
great.
super
Close.
close.
I think all of them are good daughters, right?
Kasi pangarap po ni Mami na maging
They're truly a blessing to their family.
mag-aral po sa isang culinary school and
Mm.
nung
Wow,
nakakaipon na po kaming baby,
That's her mom.
tapos ko rin po siya sa
She's so beautiful.
So, in effect, binayaran mo ang
Naiiyak ako.
tuition ng nanay mo.
Opo.
Oh, wow.
That's a big deal na ikaw naman ang nagpaaral sa nanay mo. Oh my God, ang babait pala ng mga batang
Yes,
ito.
true.
Guys, tama lang na iniidolo niyo sila. Napakababa. Okay,
Yeah.
Yung tatay ko, Mrs. Shen.
They are inspiration to
Pagbabanda, hindi naman po.
the Gen Zs. Why I am
Meron-
like this. I'm turning emotional actually. It's because not all Gen Zs have that kind of mindset. Good thing that there's Beanie and they have a great influence already because they have a big fan base. It's a good thing because they are an inspiring group also. All of them actually are family oriented and that's a big deal for artists. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna cut off until 16 minutes so that the other one will be posted in my next episode. Yeah, we're now in 30 minutes.
Meron kumukuha po sa kanila. Yung nanay ko po, housewife lang.
Nag-aaral pa po kami lahat nun. So yung umabot po kami sa point na parang hindi makakapag-exam yung mga ate ko kasi nga walang pambayad,
sa tuition.
sa tuition, parang yung nanay ko dati, nabaon din po kami sa utang. Dating nanay ko talagang nagtatago na pag alam niyo po yung mga nakamotor na may tindahan po kami. So, pag nakamotor na, parang magtatago na lang yung nanay ko. Tas ibibili niya sa bunso namin kapatid na sabihin mo wala ako dito.
Wala yung mama.
Parang may joke pa nga yung nanay ko na parang nakita kasi yung half ng ganito niya na nagtatago siya. Tapos sabi daw nung nagsisingil
Nung 5'6".
sabi daw nung nagsisingil, sabihin mo sa nanay mo na isama yung
Ulo.
yung buhok niya pag
Yung
umalis
buhok.
siya. Parang ganun, parang yung joke kasi nga nahuli siya na nagtatago. Siguro mga grade 6 na po ako doon, pa high school na po. Minsan wala po talaga kaming makain. Alam niyo po yung parang yung ng coconut lang, tas yung niyog lang.
Coconut?
Yun lang kinakain namin, tas yung
Yung ano ng niyog?
What?
anong bang tawag
What's-
nun? Yung
Katas? Yung katas o
Oh, the milk.
Tapos
Yeah, the gata or the
nilalagay
coconut.
namin ng rice lang na minsan inuutang
Is that
pa namin
possible?
sa kapitbahay namin para lang kumain kami. Ayoko lang na mangyari po ulit yun.
Magkano ang una mong ipinadala
Oh, shucks.
sa probinsya?
200,000.
Hindi po. Grabe naman.
Whatever
Um,
amount, the point is it's the whole victory. Diba?
Mm,
Whether
opo.
5,000, 10,000, malaking bagay yun.
Yes.
Siguro po nasa mga 10 to 20. Siguro po na. Opo.
Anong naging reaction?
Siyempre po masaya. Parang yun na
That's,
po yung...
that's big.
Dati, binibigyan ko po kasi sila ng monthly po eh. Tas
And there's
ngayon
no
po parang
utang at all already,
pinapaayos po
right?
namin yung bahay namin. Ako na po nagtutuloy na pinapaaral ko po yung dalawa ko pong kapatid kasi nagtatrabaho na po yung dalawa.
Alam mo,
Ah.
naiiyak ako sa inyo kasi grabe ang responsibilidad ninyong mga babae, no?
Mm.
Okay, Aya.
Taga Cebu po ako originally po. I was born
Ah,
and raised in Cebu.
I and
Tapos
Colette are
nung nasa
two,
Cebu
the
po
two
ako,
Visayan.
parang teens din po ako that time na na-realize ko po, parang mas gusto ko po na mag-earn for myself para po hindi na
She wants to be
financially
independent.
support ako ng magulang po. Actually, nung nasa Cebu po ako, nakapag-enroll na ako for college po. Tapos,
I think
bigla po
she
akong
comes
pinapili.
from,
So,
a well-off
naging debate
family.
po siya kasi gusto
Yeah,
ng
right.
parents ko makapagtapos po, tapos naka-enroll na. Pero buti naman po ngayon, I'm both studying and working at the same time po. Parang blessing in disguise din po siya na nandito po ako. Kasi nung pandemic po, yung family ko po kasi, all of them, 3 of them, my brother and my
I
parents,
love this
they're in the
interview. Like,
hotel
it's,
industry.
it's a
Tapos nung
tell-all
pandemic
interview.
po, they all lost their jobs. So, ang dami ding utang that time. Ngayon kaya, kahit minsan mahirap po siya na pagsabayin yung school and work. Pero kasi, I get to look back on those days na yung parang mahihirap po.
Okay.
And parang ito na lang din po yung reward ko. And especially na sobrang laking trust din po yung binigay nila sa akin dito po. Yun po, ang sarap sa feeling din na natitreat ko na po sila, na hanggang pangarap ko lang po yung dati po.
When ikaw naman, taga
Yes
saan
po.
ka? Yung mga magulang mo na
I think Gwen is the last one to be interviewed about her experience,
I'm from
right?
Bicol po, Alayo.
Family.
Yung mom ko po, single mom na lang siya kasi nawala rin yung dad ko. 4 years old pa lang po ako.
You know, I love her eye. It's like sword, right? So it's like that. She's like having a Japanese. I love her
tas
eye.
5 po kami magkakapatid.
nawala, namatay.
Namatay po, opo. Nung 4 years old pa lang po ako. Tas 5 po kami magkakapatid. Siguro yung pinaka-struggle namin is, yun nga po, kasi single mom si mama. Tas hindi na siya po nakapagtrabaho. Kasi parang before, nung buhay pa si papa, hindi siya pinag-work. Eh pag ganun po pala, parang mahihirapan na siya mag-apply kasi nga sa work experience, nag-lack siya. So hindi na po siya nakahanap talaga ng regular
That's
work
what-
ever since.
You know, that's the irony of applying for a job here in the Philippines. Like, the employer asks for experience, but you apply because you want to experience like a job.
Sa po kami sa pension ng
So
papa
that's
ko.
the irony
Kaso 5 po
there.
kami. Nabaon din po talaga kami sa utang. Ako while studying before, rumaraket-raket po ako sa mga events, ganyan. Kung ano na po pinasok ko din. Minsan sa school, nagbebenta ng mga kung ano-ano po, pagkain,
Ano
ganyan.
binibenta mo sa school?
Ay, ang dami po talaga mga snacks, tas mga graham balls, mga ganyan. Kung ano-ano.
Yeah, that's
Oo,
true.
Talaga, opo, kasi ginagawa ko,
That's really
as much as possible,
true.
magsisave talaga ako.
There are a
para
lot of
kunyari, may
students
project.
like that.
Hindi na ako hihingi sa mama ko po, ganun. Nung tumatagal po, parang yung may kapatid po ako na kailangan na rin talaga mag-stop kasi talagang walang-wala na rin po talaga kami. Hirap na po talaga si mama. Tapos nakakasad na yung bahay mo, parang unti-unti mong makikitang nabubulok na. Kasi parang sira na yung bubong, ganyan. Tapos hirap na rin kami sa food din, pang everyday. As in, yung everyday po namin na kinakain, inuutang lang din sa mga stores, ganyan.
Pero tanong ko,
I think they have the same experience with Colette.
mapapanood ba ng pamilya mo ang concert?
Ay, opo, pupunta po ang family ko.
Ang buhol. Mapapanood nila.
That's true. That's right.
Yeah.
Ako rin po.
Diba? Lahat kayo.
Opo.
Nakasabi ni Maloy.
Yeah. Uy.
Okay, so I think we're gonna stop with Gwen right now being interviewed. Just gonna continue this video. I'm just gonna cut it out this moment. The other half would be separately posted or uploaded. Anyway, that's part 1 of our exclusive, ang mga hugot sa buhay ng Bini with Karen Dabala. I'm gonna do part 2 in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.